Do you want to earn up to $600 per day just with Google News and a free bot? Yes? No? Well, what if I tell you you can? It is possible to earn as much as $589 or even more just by using Google. How? Just follow all the steps I will provide in this video, so stay with me until the end and find out how you can make money online just by using Google. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and truly doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. The first thing you need to do in order to earn that $600 per day is to go on Google. Go to the search bar and type in Google News. As soon as you click this link, you will be taken to a page where Google will display all the current news and events. Scrolling down, you will see a number of articles from different news sources, which vary depending on your location. There is a list of categories for news articles on the left side of the page. By clicking one of those categories, you will be able to see more news articles that relate to that category. By clicking on World News, you will see news articles from around the globe. And if you click on Sports, you will be shown news articles about sports. This video will focus on health since it is a very relevant topic in these times. In this case, clicking on health will lead you to news articles about health, mostly related to the pandemic. There are a lot of news articles that you can view by scrolling down the page, and if you are interested in reading any of them, all you need to do is click on the article you are interested in. Once you have chosen an article, you will now need to start copying that article. It is not necessary to copy the whole thing, just the important parts. This is a crucial step, since in order to make money you need to produce some original articles which I will demonstrate to you later on. Therefore, for this step, carefully choose and copy the most important parts of the article. Now, have you checked Google News already? If not, what are you waiting for? Take out your laptop or computer, visit Google News, and start looking for those articles. Follow the instructions I have provided so you can start your money-making journey just by going through Google. As easy as that. Go ahead. Now, before we go back to the video, if you think this video will help you, comment down below and share your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel for more learnings about making money online. Hit the like button if you are liking this video so far. Now, back to the video. Now on to the next step. Focus on this one because this is very essential so that you can earn $600 per day. Go on Google and search for Spinbot.com, which is an article spinning, text rewriting, content creation tool. In essence, Spinbot is an automatic article spinner that outputs additional intelligently readable text from human readable text. It is one of the best free article rewriting online tools that are designed to rewrite sentences accurately. Spinbot will actually rewrite your copied article when you paste it here so that it will become you. The next step is to paste the copied article into the box. Then, Spinbot will start rewriting your copied article into a new one, which is unique, original, and copyright-free. Have you found Spinbot.com? Did you sign up already? It's free, so you should. Don't miss out on the chance of earning extra money just because you don't want to deal with this website. You can easily rewrite articles without the need to have super writing skills. You don't need to be a writer or to have a background in writing. Spinbot.com will take care of that for you. Now that you have that rewritten article, you can now use this in order to earn that $600. How? Just visit some websites. The first website is called textbroker.com. This website is the go-to content writing service for a variety of different projects. It is the best platform to outsource content creation easily and quickly. Now, to start earning money from Text Broker, you first need to create an account. And don't worry because this is 100% free. All you need to do is create an account, finish the sign-up process, and that's it. This website pays a certain amount per word. You can check it out in your own time to have a better idea of how much they'll pay. But don't stress, as you won't actually be writing anything. Remember, the Spinbot will do all the work in order for you to earn money from Text Broker. You just need to find some good articles in Google News, run them through Spinbot, and voila! You have a unique article. Have you signed up for Text Broker already? Remember, it's free and you don't worry about the articles. Spinbot got you covered. So don't miss out on this. Sign up to this site and start selling the articles you sourced out from Google News and totally rewritten by Spinbot. The next website where we can also earn money is called iWriter.com. This is where people can come and have their articles written by other people. Just create a free account on this website. Choose what type of article or content you need to write, then submit that and they will review your work. They will then pay you for the work that you've completed. And that is pretty simple. Now, you might be wondering how much you can earn from writing articles. Well, this site actually has 4 levels of writing, which are Standard, Premium, Elite, and Elite Plus. The pay for each level differs. But don't worry, one of the great things about this website is that they offer very competitive pay. You can write about the things that you know. You can work with great companies, you can build your portfolio, and you can work anywhere at any time. And they have great payment and project management. Just make sure to create a free account on this website. Provide the needed details, and that's it. You can do this every day and just keep on submitting articles. The earning potential on this strategy is a lot, so you better make sure you do this right away. And that's it. Have you followed all the steps I have provided? The steps I've mentioned are totally free. You won't pay anything, but the earning potential is a lot. This is basically easy money, as you won't even need to have any writing skills or any writing background. You can produce high quality and original content just by using Spinbot and following the steps I have provided. Then go to the other website I also mentioned. You can monetize the articles there just by simply copy-pasting the content. That's it! You can already earn as much as $600 a day. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.